This is 45 years old high altitude mountaineer of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Ali Sadpara, who found missing on February 5, along with his two companions. Now he has been officially declared as dead, along with his two companions, one from Iceland, John Snery, and the other from Chile, Juan Pablo Morprieto. K2, the world's second highest mountain, has recently been conquered by Nepali mountaineers for the first time in winters. After this, Ali Sadpara also decided to conquer K2 in winters. He had already conquered Killer Mountain Nanga Parbat in winter, but this time luck did not favor him. On February 5, Ali Sadpara and his two companions lost at Bottleneck, which is also known as Death Zone. Rescue operations were carried out but were unsuccessful due to continuous bad weather. So at last, the three persons became the eternal part of frozen K2. Their fans all around the world are paying tribute to them in their own ways.
तुम्हारी राह देखेंगे सनम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम। तेरे आने की खबर ना आ सकी, याद तेरी दिल से भी ना जा सकी। हो गए पागल तेरी यादों में हम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम।
रात के निकल जाता हूँ रास्ता देखने, और सुबह 10 बजे धूप की पहली किरण लगती है, थोड़ा सा हीट मुझे मिलता है। अचानक मेरा जो है जिस्म में एक झटका सा महसूस होता है, और मैं अपने आप को कहता हूँ कि किधर। उस वक्त मेरा सेंस वो वापस आ जाए।
इन्हीं रास्तों पे जिन पे कभी गामज़न थे दोनों, मुझे रोक रोक पूछा तेरा हम सफर कहाँ है। हम तुम्हारी राह देखेंगे सनम, हम तुम्हारी राह देखेंगे सनम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम।